Yeah, I mean, so.
Yeah, people that do the trail track.
Yeah, several have signed up, and some say they'll sign up online.
I have no idea how
I
many
think next
people
weekend
there.
they're doing the big tree planting.
That's right. I'll be there for that.
I think I heard there's a big turnout. I was thinking of going, but I didn't.
Mostly in the Midwest.
Oh yeah. That just happened really recently, didn't it?
I'm trying to get my husband. He's like, well, we use them for like the garbage cans and stuff. Yeah, but still, like, yeah. Honestly, that's the thing.
That's also our reptiles for the reason stuff.
Well, they're here. This is here all the time.
So during our they just stay here. And yeah, you can come and visit anytime. Well, just during our open hours. They just have closing for the time.
You see the concept. I went there. It's just at like 7:30.
It does, for sure. Well, I went to the takes like asked doing spreadsheets, which is pretty much what I feel like I spend most of the time doing.
And yeah, pick up some swag at places too.
Are you a gardener?
And these are what we call remnant prairies. They're prairies that like
predators or chemicals, and they keep weeds out of the prairie. So there are inputs that do go into it, but there are a ton of benefits more than birds and turf that come along with it.
Well, we would want to get rid of the bird. They're
Maybe it's part of it.
cut it up.
Soil garden soil is
So if you look at it like this, it's the bee that's sitting at the top of the flower. These are the flower petals. You can make it whatever color you want. We've had some rainbow ones, some realistic ones. We're an invertebrate conservation.
I'm gonna keep looking out there.
Habitat that you can create in your garden or pollinators. Plants that is just as important that shelter this way. We also have a nice plant list that talks about the different insects that each of these things. Want to go to the bubbler? Max, do you go to the water?
Why did it get shut down? Because it's weird.
there's like 12